we are going to learn this keyword. See, this will keep on disturbing. So, so what do you mean by this and why we use that? Let me start the notepad here. This keyword. So here, what do you mean by this? They'll ask you, what is this? What is this? If someone asks like this, you will be surprised. So here, one day I will not allow after 8:05. So what do you mean by this? So this is a keyword. First of all, what is keyword? Predefined word. Predefined word. Next point, this is a reference variable. Third point, it always holds the address of current class. Okay. Now, uses of this keyword. Uses of this keyword. This can be used to access current class variable. Guys, please join on time. It's very bad. I will keep on getting the pinks. I already joined late so that everyone will be in lobby. By 8:07, I used to join mostly. So this can be used to access current class method. This can be used to access current class constructor. Okay. Now, see why this keyword has come in the picture. So let's say class, anything is there, class university. And here public static void main. Yeah. This is our program, just I'm writing stub.out.println. Hello, man. Just close this method. Create a class called class college. Here I'll write use USN. Into USN or college USN string college name, right? Okay. And sorry, here we do have a method called void store or get data. Get data. Yes, and here this is our get data method. Get data method is there. See, who is not able to join the link? The, who is pinging now? No, same link. Everyone able to join. Using it gets sent. Now, let's say we are creating the object of this college class, COLLEG, C equal to new college. Here I am passing the USN. Let's say this is the USN and name of the college is SAT. SAT, SAT. Okay. Now, then what you have to do, you have to create a constructor because it's a parameterized constructor. You must define in the class, right? So here you must define the constructor and constructor name is college. Here to store integer type of value, you have to define int. This time I am giving the same name, college name here also as a parameter and a string. First USN is there, USN, and here college name. Let's write in camel case. Okay, fine. So here also I will give the same name, college name. Now here I will print role with two args constructor. Fine. Plus I am printing this college student USN plus give some space plus college name. Yes, good. Now let's close this class. Now, this is done. Now save this program. Control C, Control S. Java program. Everything I'm saving in 8 AM batch. So here, let's say this. Here I am going to save this. University.java. Yeah.
Just 1 second. Yesterday's class details. I didn't see the class note. I could see the class files, but there was no note actually. So was that missing? That constructor part 3?
Note should be whatever note I told, it must be there. Like here in this like method, one note is there, text document. If you'll go to params constructor or
Constructor
somewhere,
3.
just
Constructor
see
part 3.
constructor part 2 is there. See here notes are there.
Part 3.
Part 3 examples will be there in that only. Here also if you'll open.
Now here yeah, I could see, but in the constructor 3, constructor part 3.
So only one time will give you, na? Like for each and every program, we cannot give a notes, right? Here in the program itself, this is just a concept. Here if you go, here these are, see these all are notes only, these comments. Now constructor, I taught you what is constructor, how many types of constructor in one notes. Now if I will do this different scenario, top of the program will write the comments.
Yeah. I have seen. I thought you were
No,
making
no,
a
no. For
different note
see,
and it was
if some
missing.
important part is there, then only I am going to write.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Otherwise, scenario will do. In that scenario, something is there, we will write a comment. Now, this keyword I taught you right now. So, how much it's required for this keyword? This is the important part. This we have to learn.
Okay, yeah.
After this, I will doing the examples. Here, if something is there, something will come. I will write this comment. This you can consider as a notes or as a concept. One
Okay.
line.
Yeah, just want to confirm there was nothing missing.
No, nothing is there. You can practice same first. If you are getting some confusion or conflict, please revise the recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So now you see here in method also, I will write here same variable name. Again, I will declare same variable name int college USM. Before that, before going to this keyword, I will teach you local variable. Okay. So here, let's say here 30 string college name equal to something PSIT. Now, before going to this keyword, yeah, this also I'll cover right now. But before that, a small concept is there, local variable. This is also important. So what is local variable? So local variable which declared inside the method. Okay, called local variable. Next point. Local variable must be initialized if it accessed. If it accessed. We know who is this Vinodhini? Have you joined?
Yeah.
Still, I see the message. No class today.
No,
This
sir, I joined
what?
wrong.
This is getting confused. Again, I am telling you guys, please join on the same link yesterday. How you people have joined on Tuesday? Everyone. And now there's someone is asking no class today, waiting teams. What is this? You please guys ping them. Otherwise, I will keep on getting disturbed and send them whatever they want. They will wake up late and after that they will ask question. Now, local variable must be initialized if it accessed. That is the two rules you have to cover. And the scope of the local variable will be within the class only, within the method only, method blocks only. These three lines you have to remember. Now you see here, sorry, let me close this. Come to this program. Now see, here, this is class. This is called class variable because it is defined directly in the class. College, USN, college name, right? This is the class. Now here you see, inside the variable also, a method also, we do have a same variable. So even it is the same variable, but see, I have defined it two times. See, this is first time int college USN string college name. Here also int college USN string college name. So this is these two variables, even both are same. It is local to the method and his scope, his life, it will be there inside this method only. Means from here, this is the context boundary and here. His life, this college USN and college name, whatever I have declared, again, new, fresh, their life will be within this method only. This value cannot be accessed outside the method, either constructor or here in the class also, reference, we cannot access. Okay.
So sorry to interrupt. So they are saying they are waiting for long time. So can you please check anybody is waiting in the lobby?
This is the lobby, right? This is the lobby. Now where they are waiting, I know. They are waiting here. Yeah, this one. 7 a.m. link. See if I will click on join. Same link is there, right? Hello?
Yeah. So I will
Yeah, here, someone is joining, I think 7 a.m.
I'll just message them.
See, there is no waiting. Can you see here? Are you
Yeah.
getting notification? No. Here we have joined 8 a.m. batch. Everyone is joined. Now now delete the browser cache. Delete browser history and try to join in incognito private window. And what is the meeting link? Same link is there. This is 8 a.m. batch. If you go to meeting details, this is the same meeting, right? Where is the meeting link? See,
Yeah.
if I'm copying link, I'm going to WhatsApp somewhere and I am, yes, same link, correct, same link. Perfect. Same link, same link, same link, right? Hmm. Now this will take another 4 to 5 minutes. Why they are not able to join? Everyone is there. I think because of late, might be. Now Now how they are able to join now? See? Still someone is waiting. No, everyone is able to join. Why they are telling not able to join? Okay, fine. I'll keep on getting disturbed because of this. See, Kavita, Govindas has temporarily joined at chat. Govind, you are there?
Sir,
Everyone is there. Oh, who is this? Let me check how many links have opened. Only one, this one and this one. That's it. We'll again move from the concept. Boni. Yeah, Boni, are you able to join now?
Yes, yes, I can join. Thank you.
Right? Everyone join. Guys, please join a little bit. Join. Try to get early because in between, if you'll keep on asking, thinking, then see, since 7 minutes we are disturbed completely. Now see how they are able to join now. Right. So what is local variable? The variable defined inside the class. So see here we have defined. That is variable. Okay. And this is the college name also. See again I have defined. If these two variables are not present
so
inside the method.
Sir, I
sorry
think
to interrupt. I think
the
you
screen
might
is
need to
not
share
shared.
your
Yeah.
screen back. You're not able to see your screen.
What can be done? Because of this, I have did 2 times like this.
Perfect.
Whoever
Now
is
it's showing.
joining. Now see, these two variables are the local variables. Why? Because they are defined in the sense with data type. Even it is the same variable name, it is defined. So whenever you will try to access college USN from this method, first priority will go to the local variable. Even both having same name, first priority always goes to the local variable. Right. So whenever you will write college USN, it will give you 30 and PSIT. Here if you will try to print. And if it is not present here, then control will switch from method to the class. First it will check, okay, if I am writing it here, let's say I am writing it here, plus this one, plus college name, right? Now if you will try to print first priority here, local context, any variable declared or defined inside the method is a local variable. So now go and execute this program. Now, first of all, access this method, c dot get data, right? And here I'll go. CMD. Again, screen will be. So here you go and just compile this program, Java C and the university. Why? Why it's not coming? 8 bash this keyword Java C. What is the file name? University only, right? University Java. Class university. Why? 8 batch I have not saved. Okay, here I didn't save. Where I saved this program? Here. Okay. Control C. Let's go ahead. Now go. Java C. University.java. Java. University. Now, so you can see we got the output 232 and stat, right? And in get data method, we got 30 and PSIT. 30 and PSIT. See, this is the constructor 232 and sat. 232 and sat. See here, 232 and sat. I am passing through constructor. So first constructor gets executed and I am getting 232 and sat. Then whenever I call this method, I am getting 30 and PSIT. Okay. Now, next question for local variable. I am writing in a comment. This is local variable. Right? Local variable. Now what you do, you remove this value. Don't assign anything here inside a method. Now you try to access it. How much you are getting? I didn't save the program. Hope so. Throw error. Why it's not throwing error? Still 30 and PSIT is coming. Oh. Close this. Go here again. On desktop. Java program. 8M batch. Here I should change it. Here. This is the point. Here, this one I should open it and change it. Yeah. Control A, control. So now go and compile. See, you will get an error. And you will see here variable college USN might not have been initialized. Variable college name might not have been initialized. So there are two variables of this method, college USN, college name, which is a local variable. And I told you local variable must be initialized if you try to access it. So see, I have not initialized anything in this and I am trying to access it. So it always give you the error. The variable might not have been initialized. So if you are declaring any variable inside a method, it must be initialized. Is it clear? Whenever you will try to access it. If you will not try to access it, it will not throw any error. See here, if you will not, it will not throw any error. See, I have not initialized, but you don't access also. It will not throw any error. See, there is no error. See, no error. But if you have not initialized and you are trying to access this, then it will throw the error. See, I have not initialized and I try to access it, the local variable. Then it will throw an error that variable might not have been initialized. Can you see? College USN and college name might not have been initialized. At compile time, you will be getting the error. Is it clear? And always first preference will be given to local. Always. So here, if I am right, if local and class variable both having same name, then always first priority given to local, right? So here you see, if here college and college name is present, let me write one more time, 30 and whatever you want to write. The both variable having same name, then first priority, see class variable also having same name, method variable. So first priority always given to the local. Constructor also, see here, whenever you will try to print college USN or college name, it will not print this college USN and college name. what it will print? It will print whatever the value coming from the constructor. First priority, they will take constructor parameter, local. The current, instead of local, you can say the current parameter. So here you are trying to access college USN, college name. It is not a class USN and college name. It is constructor USN and constructor college name. Are you getting? This point is clear. Who is not clear, please tell me. 2 minutes of time is there. You can ask. Whoever joined late or who joined early also not understanding, let me know. No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, good. If you do not have doubt. Now, let's say if these two variables are not there, then what is the output here? Now, what is the output of college USN and college name?
Constructor.
Sorry?
Constructor.
Constructor. I am working inside method. Why you are talking about constructor?
It will throw error.
No, I think it will throw an error.
Why it will throw error?
It will
Because
not throw
the
an error.
variable is not defined.
I have used any variable here? I have not used. So what is the rule? If it is not present in the method, this variable, then control will go and check in the class level, is there any variable? Because methods are used to access the class variable. So if here it's not defined, then control will switch to the class level. Here it will check, is there any name by college USN or college name inside the class? It's there. Right? Oh.
So it will be 0 and null. So
So
We
in that
not
case, 0
assigned
and
any value, right?
Sorry? It will print the value. It will print this college USN and college name value. So someone
Null
told
it
0.
will print.
0 and null. Yeah.
No, it will not be a 0 null. See, in constructor, you are passing 232 and sat. Correct. Okay, fine. You should correct. You are correct. Let's see. First of all, know the hierarchy. If this variable is not present, if this variable is not present in the method, then control will go and check at class level whether this variable is present or not. Because I told you methods are used to access the class variable in the beginning itself. So if inside the method it's not present, it will go and check that this level, right? Now there is no error. Can you see that? No error. And see here, we got 0 and null. Yes, 0 and null here. And if I will define it here, then first priority, okay, college USN college name, in method it is present or not, this variable, okay, it is present, then I will only print 30 and PS site.
So why we got
The-
0 and null? Because we set that in the constructor, right? So this will be set.
But we have not initialized, no? Have we initialized this class variable with constructor value?
Oh,
Have
sorry.
you-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to summarize, if the class variable is accessed, it will without initialization, it will print the default values, and if the local variables are accessed without initialization, it will throw an error.
Yeah, you should understand in that way. First of all, you should
Okay.
segregate. If local variables are present, it must be initialized.
Okay.
What is local variable? Variable defined inside the
Inside
method. Method context, method boundary. So any variable defined or declared inside the method, it must be initialized if you are trying to access it. That is first thing. Okay. Second thing, if you have not initialized and trying to access, you will get an error. That variable might not have been initialized. Third scenario, even if you have not initialized, If you have not initialized and you are trying to access, you will not get, sorry, here you have not initialized the value and you are not trying to access also. In that case also, you will not get any error. Understood? Error will come if and only if you are trying to access this two variable, which is not initialized inside the method. Okay, here error we will not get because we are not accessing it. To declare like this, syntactically, it's correct. See here, now you will not get any error. I have not initialized, I have not accessed. Are you getting anything? Error? No. When you will get error? When you have initialized, sorry, you have not initialized and you are trying to access it. Local, because first preference will go to local variable. So here it will throw error. This is all about, I'm talking about local. See, this error, you got it. Now, third scenario, you must initialize the local variable, then only you can access this. Okay. Now it will give you 30 PSIT. Now, fourth scenario is if these two variables are not present in the method, then what would be the value of college USN and college name?
We'll go to the
One
class.
is zero.
Yeah, in 0, first USN
Zero and
integer,
null.
no? 0
Default
and null.
value. And null.
Because if he will check, JVM control will check, okay, inside the method, there is no variable called college USN and college name. Then control will switch from method to at class level and check whether these variables are there present or not. Okay. Then it will access these variables. Now you got a difference between local and global, means class variable. Are you clear about class variable and method variable?
So I've got a question.
Hmm.
When it comes to the order of execution, right? So when you call out your main your main method, you specify that you want to first call out the system.outprint, which is your main, and then you go and you initialize. You go and instantiate the class, right? So by instantiating that class, you are actually assigning those constructor values, right? Which is 232 and set. But then when the program executes, it will start obviously from top, the main, and then it will go to the class, and then it will go to the constructor, and then it will go to the method, right? Is that the order of execution when you actually, based on those three items, which is a system out println, and then you went and you instantiated the college, which then will assign the values 232 and salt, and then which then I suppose when you call out when you call out the variable get data, it will then take those values for that you've actually initialized with for 232 and celt, which is the college constructor.
So what is the outcome of this concept story? What you are expecting here?
I think based on this, if I'm gonna go and call the get data method, because it has already been initialized, what 232, it should actually return the values of the constructor.
Yeah. So just now, 3 minutes back, one of the guy has asked same question, Boni. So see here, this is method parameters, right? Sorry, constructor parameters, correct or not?
Correct.
So whenever you will create an object, first this constructor will get executed. Now you see, am I assigning the class variable with constructor value anywhere? Am I writing left side like this equal to this?
No, sir.
So how it will give 232? How it will give 232?
It will not give it because you have not assigned it.
It is not assigned, first thing. Only thing is both variable having same name.
Okay.
Both variable having same name. And whenever you will write, see now the class variable and constructor variable, both having same name. So whenever inside this constructor, whenever you will write college USN or college name, first priority will go to the local variable, college USN and college name. This one.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Here, let's say if I am writing college USN 1 and name 1, and here I am writing college USN, then from here control will switch to this class. Okay? And it will print 0 and null here. Now the problem comes when both having same variable name. So that time you must be clear what is local and what is class variable. So these two parameters are coming from the constructor. So these two variables belongs to constructor only, not this class. And I am not assigning it here. Whenever you are writing college USN, means this is constructor parameter you are trying to access, not this class parameter. Because from here, which one is current college USN? Nearest college USN. From here, which one is the nearest college USN? Constructor parameter, na? From who here, which one is the nearest college name? Where I have, here it is, right? So
Yes,
this is coming from constructor. See here, 232 will get assigned to USN, SAT will get assigned to college name. So you will always get the output 232 and SAT. Here now the question is how can we print this value 0 and null? Even if all having the same. If all having the same data, same variable name. See, method variable is also local variable, also college USN. College name also same as class variable. Constructor parameter variable also having same name. So whenever you will print college USN here inside a method, it will give 30 and PSIT. Whenever you will print college USN college name inside a constructor, it will give you 232, this value 232, and SAT it will give you. Now the question is how can we print this college USN and college name? So programmatically
You
and
give this keyword.
yeah, that only I told. So we will see this. So this is the conflict here. How can we segregate between the local variable and class variable if both having same name? Problem occurs when all having the same variable name. But in that also you should identify which one is local, which one is global, means class level. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Boni?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I ask you a silly question?
Ayo, please ask. Silly questions are very
So
dangerous.
to avoid this confusion, instead of using a same variable, we can go for different variables, right? So why we are trying to use the same variable?
That is the question here. So why we use constructor? First question. Why we use constructor?
Why
Don't
we
listen.
use we
Yes.
no
Test-
need to
Create an object.
Test, while
yeah, we no
testing,
need to call that call like method. As soon
No,
as
no,
when
no.
we create an object, it will be initialized.
To
See, the
access the
use of
class.
constructor, main use of constructor is to initialize a class variable.
Yeah.
Correct.
Class variable. So with whom you will initialize the class variable? With constructor parameter, we are going to initialize the class variable. So programmatically and professionally in any development framework, we will not tell, okay, constructor value we are giving to the class variable. We should say like that. This is the concept sequence. We are going to initialize the class college USN with constructor USN. I am going to initialize college name with constructor college name. Okay. So for that reason, we are giving the same name. If I will give the different name here, yes, you can initialize. You will not have any conflict, but how you will interrelate? No, boss. This college USN is class college USN. This class constructor college name is nothing but a class college name. How you will interrelate, right? If I will write USN 2, 3 here, 2, 3, name 2, it means, okay, this is constructor parameter. You don't have to do anything with this class. But this is what the standard is. If I will make the same variable, it means, boss, I am going to assign college USN of the college class with constructor college USN. I am going to assign college name of the college class with constructor college name. That's why we give the same variable name. Understood?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Now, how to access? So read first these two lines. You have, if people joins very late, but now you see. What is this? This is a
I'm sorry to
keyword.
interrupt. I think Vinodini has raised her hand. I think she has some questions.
So she should ask, no?
Yeah. What is?
Yeah, tell me.
Oh, I didn't learn. Yeah, I have a question, sir. What happens in at memory level? Yesterday you were telling first the whatever happens, the constructor will get executed first.
Correct.
Likewise, if see in this case, in this scenario, we have the variables, the constructor variables as well as the class variables and local variables have the same name. What exactly happens in memory? Like
So,
why the value we are passing in constructor, it's not getting assigned to the class variable
okay, what is assignment? First question is, how can you assign? First
by
question.
using the equal to sign.
Correct. Are we using an equal to sign here?
No, so it is like on the fly, like when we pass values inside the constructor, it just goes to the
This is
constructor, it
just
just get
like you
passed.
have declared here actual parameter. To store this actual parameter, you must define here the variables inside the constructor. You cannot write here 20 same thing. Like here, you should not write like this.
Okay.
You should not write like this. This is calling. This is called. So while called, you must give the formal parameters. Means some container, some variable to store this two data. This is called definition of constructor. This is called calling the constructor. Okay. So if you are calling, then whatever value you are passing, this in called constructor, it must have that variable to store that data. Either this name can be anything, but type should be same, order should be same, number of parameters should be same. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you want to check the memory level also, I will show you, but this will not get covered today also. Just wait. Now, if you are confused, then Let's open the Paint and see the memory diagram. Now here, let's say this is your memory. Here you have a class. I will just write the template. So here, let's say you are creating object of college. C equal to new college. And here you are passing the parameter something 232. And here you are giving some name. Let's say SAIT, whatever name you want to give, you give it. And here. Okay. Now, this is your class. College. Here also you have written int. Here just I am writing USN. And here string name. Okay. Now, this is your constructor. First, you have created an object, so you should define the same constructor down. So here college. To store 232 to what you have to define? Int, some variable name. This time I am giving the same variable name, USN. That is the difference. That's it. This time here to store this type of data, what you have to define? String type. And here also I am giving the same name as class variable name. That's it. Now I am doing this. Now whenever you will print here, system.out.println USN plus name. You only tell here what we will get the output.
$232 and SAIT.
SAIT, why? Because
Yeah,
we'll get that one only because this from here, this is see the context boundary from where we are accessing USN and name. At class level or constructor level we are accessing. From where? Which location we are accessing?
Constructor level.
From constructor. So from here, which one is the nearest variable name as a USN and name? This is right.
Yeah.
Not this one. Not this two. Correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
And from here, at the time of creating object, only this constructor will be invoked and same this 232 will be copied to this one, USN. And this SAT will get copied into name.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Now, have I initialized anything to this class variable? So when this will get loaded, this college class will get loaded into memory here. It will load into memory. Then this USN will get initialized with 232. First, this class will be loaded and same time constructor will load it. So this USN will get initialized with 232 and this name will get initialized with SAIT. Then class variable will get here USN default value equal to 0 and the name will be null. Right. Now, this is clear for everyone. This is class variable. See here, this USN.
Okay. So the scope of the arguments is only within the constructor?
Yes.
Yeah.
For now, at least see here, if I am calling, see, let's say I am in a room and you are also present here. What's your name? Vinodni, right?
Yeah, correct.
And one Vinodni is there outside my room. If I will shout Vinodni, which Vinodni will get first called? Who will raise her hand? Who is present in the room, correct?
Yeah.
Outside Vinodni, she may hear or she may be silent, she will be neutral. But first of all, if you are sitting in front of you, if I am asking Vinodni, she will not listen. First you will listen, right?
Yeah, correct.
Right. So here also nearest is USN, this one. So this you can consider this is a local to the constructor. This variable is local to the constructor parameters. Okay. If you are accessing like this.
Okay.
This is clear?
Yeah, this is clear.
And
That
if
is also clear.
and wait, and if here USN1 is there, name 2 is there, and you are accessing USN name, then here control will check where is USN name in locally nearest, somewhere USN name is defined in near value. Is there any USN or name? No. Let's say here USN1 is there, name is there. Then what will do? This control will switch to the class level. Okay.
Okay.
And it will print the value of USN 0 and name, it will print as a null.
Mhm.
If it is not here, if there is no USN name here, if it is USN1, this is, let's say this is USN1, this is string name 2, and you are trying to access USN. So there is no USN in nearest, correct?
Yeah.
So from here, control will switch to class level and will
Class
check what is the
variable.
value. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you getting now?
Yeah.
Now the question is, I want to access this USN and name both here, correct? Or I want to initialize this class variable USN with constructor USN. I want to initialize this class name with constructor name. So to do assignment, what we have to do?
This dot.
Right? What we have to do? Leave this dot now. First of all, you should write USN equal to USN. Correct? No?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Left side is a class variable, right side is your local. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Then you should write name equal to name.
Equal to name.
Correct?
Yeah.
So this left side name means class variable. This USN is this USN. This name is this name. Okay?
Okay.
Now, again, if you will print here, let's say here again you print SOP. USN plus, you thought of, I have initialized the variable this USN and name with constructor USN name.
Constructor. Yeah.
Right? Now
Yeah.
you will print this USN and name. How much output you will get?
Null.
0
No.
and null
Default.
only. Even you have
Yeah. Default.
initialized this, but you are calling the same variable from local. See, near USN, if I will shout, nearest USN will call. It will not print 0 and null. It will print 232 and sat it will print. Even you have assigned. Why? Because the variable name is same. If you are calling same again, Vinodini. Even you are same who is outside the room also, but who is nearest, that will be called, na? Even after assignment also, if I am calling USN, then first this USN will call. If I am calling name, then this will be called. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this USN and name will be printed not as a 0 null. It will give you the nearest value of USN name. What is the nearest value of USN and name? 232 and sat.
Yeah,
And why this problem? I am trying to print this USN and name. But whenever I will call USN and name, first who is the nearest, that will get called, na? Not understanding. See here. Now this flow you understand. Now if let's say if I have written here, after this I have written. See here, USN, sorry, what is the name? College USN. College USN equal to college USN. Here I will write college name equal to right side constructor college name. Now see, both variable are same or not?
Yeah.
Is this so? Again, if you will try to access
The
college
constructor
USN
will.
and name, this is same as this statement, line number 25. Here also you write same statement. What is the difference here? Same thing will get called. 232 and sat. See here. Now you only tell from here college USN. Which one is the nearest college USN? From here. Constructor. From here, which one is the nearest college name? This one.
Constructed. Yeah.
So even you have
232 and
initialized also, it is not going to give you difference.
okay.
Because both having same variable name.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So to segregate to differentiate it, boss, which one is the class variable, which one is the constructor variable? Anyway, this is the constructor variable. But which one is the class variable? So now you see the meaning of this keyword. 2 minutes I will take. Most of the guys are leaving now. So this means this is a keyword predefined word and it is a reference variable. What is the nature of reference variable? What is the nature of reference variable? Here.
It's the address of the class variable.
Yes, it always holds the address. Reference variable always, see, if you'll print this one, if you'll print C, what it will give you? The address of the class name @ some junk value, right? People, you are not practicing. That's why I'm telling, don't think every day here Jnana will not work. Practice. Here, whatever I will teach you, you will think you are master in Java. And after that, you will forget everything. See here, you print, this is a reference variable. What it will give? It will give me reference variable always holds the address of the object or class. So it holds the address of the college class address. And how address looks like? Class name @ some junk value.
Junk value.
Right, something like that you will get, right? So same way, this is also a reference variable. It is a keyword and it is a reference variable which always holds the address of current class. What is the difference between this variable and the reference variable? This variable holds the address of any class. Whatever object you will create, it will hold that class address. But this keyword always holds the address of current class. So if I will use it here, this dot. So from here, what it holds? It holds the address of current class USN. It holds the address from here, current class college name. Understanding?
Yeah.
Now it will tell you 0 and null. Now it will show you 0 and null. See here. So this will help you to segregate between the local current class variable and local variable. Sorry, class variable and parameters or local variable. So this means it holds always the current address, means current class address. Simple reference variable, it holds any address. Which class you are creating an object, that address it will contain. But this always holds where it is used, from there it holds the current address of the class. Current class address. So from here, which one is the current class? From here, which one is the current class? College or university? From this context, which one is the current class? College or university? College. So if you are using this here, this always holds the address of this current class, college. So I know the address of college. So if I like college.college, this dot college USN, it will always give me the class variable. Means class variable USN, college USN. And for local variable, within the same context, whatever you are writing the variable, that always pointing to the local. Simple variable. Here we don't require this for locals. But if both having same name, then this dot college USN, this dot college name.
Yeah. So this dot college USN, if we print it inside the method also, it will print the default value 0 and null.
100%, 100%. Sorry. So here you write this dot college USN, this dot college name. Now you see, get data also you will get. See, get data. First one is your local variable 30 PSIT, and second one is class variable 0 null. Yeah. See here. This is first 30 and PSIT local 30 and PSIT. And this dot college means from where control will go here college.usn. This dot college means from here control will go college name. Are you getting?
So, sir, the rule is that this will only be used when you've got the same variable names for class.
It's not a rule, but
Okay.
whenever you have a same variable name to remove the conflict,
yeah,
that time you can use. Second, don't think if you have a same name, then only will use. Anything you want to access the current data using this, you can do that.
Okay.
Now, here using this, you are able to access the variable. Tomorrow, I can access current class method also using this keyword without calling from main method. You can use the current class means, see here, this dot college and college name means accessing within the same class. Can you see? Because this always holds the address of current class. And method also we can call using this. This constructor also we can call using this within this same class. No need to define it here in the main. We'll see. First rule you see. First read now. This, what is this? This is a keyword, predefined word. This is a reference variable and it always holds the address of current class. Now you see usage of this keyword. It can be used to access the current class variable. So first scenario we have done now. See current class variable, it is used to access or not? What is the current class variable? College US and college name. Using this we are able to access or not?
Yes.
Now, yeah. And now see, this didn't work. Now I am writing the same thing here. Same thing here, I am writing like this. Then see, it will get initialized also. If I write this dot college USN, here if I will write this dot college name means this dot college USN means class variable. Now it is getting assigned with college USN 232. So 232 will get assigned to this college USN. This dot college name. Now you print this. Now you print this. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So Selenium or REST assured framework, you people, everyone knows Java Selenium in the market. But this is what you have to understand. In the interview, they will expecting you to develop something. Now in Selenium, driver we will be initializing using this keyword. One class we will define web driver. Same driver I will use in another class. I will write this dot driver equal to driver. That time you should understand this concept, why we are using this. So whatever you are learning now, that is real Java and Selenium. Only thing is now craze is going for playwright in this age. But still, if you don't know Java Selenium perfectly, then you can't learn any tool. You will just mug up to get the money to crack the interview, but you will not able to sustain in the project for longer period. So don't get agitated. Learn the real concept. That's why people used to, hey, in 20 hours you finish everything. I don't bother for time, boss. You go first learn original concept. First feel this. Let it take 10 hours extra. I will get the same money, not an issue. Or even I will not get also. But you people will be evergreen forever. Like you will be enjoying. You will learn something. So you will see the real use of this keyword. Now today you go and check this dot driver equal to driver. Then you will understand, oh, because of this reason. So try to get the concept very much clear and then try. Today I told how to access the class variable using this keyword. Now, anyone is having any doubt here? Might be already so many students have left. What can I do? People used to join by 8:30, 8:45. So I'm not sure. Shall I? I mean, even I used to join by 8:07. Some of the people will be in the lobby. I see 3 people, 2 people will be there in the lobby by 8:05, 8:04. But most of the people you are coming by 8:20, 8:30, like some puja is going on and prasada is getting distributed. Charity. So because it's a free, you people will not value. If it is a cost, then even I will not be available again for the same thing. This I just tried. Like people at least who are not bothered or who is having some economical constraint, they can learn and they can feel this. You people have to practice every day. In the class, you will think, I understood each and everything. But tomorrow, same thing, I will little bit twist, you will not understand. So with one concept, you should practice 7, 8 scenarios. By whatever I am giving, other than that, you change something. Okay, why it happened like this? Why it happened? Why I am getting this error? Copy and paste and then show to me. I will stop the class. First, I will clarify the doubt. I will give importance to you, whoever have practiced. So practice every day, learn each and everything, change one by one the line, see one scenario. Now, if you want to divide this program, you can create a 7, 8 programs. One scenario, 8 scenario you can do. Local variable 4 scenario, constructor 4 scenario. You can do it. Every program will tell lesson. Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please do it. Rock. You will rock in Java Selenium. That is perfect. After that, you learn playwright, or you don't have to join any training center and all. Simply, you will do by yourself only. JavaScript also, you see. Go there, JavaScript. Where is JavaScript? Yeah, go here. Now in TypeScript. Nowadays, the era TypeScript is coming. What is TypeScript? See, this is also OOPS concept. TypeScript, OOPS concept. Here, you see what are the things are getting involved here. Can you see this? Simply this const. This is one defining the way of variables here also, right? But this is local. Here outside they are accessing. Can you see first name Angel Davis or whatever? Now, if you do not know this Java, how internally it's happening, these things came from the Java only. These things came from Java only, right? The basic everyday narrowing, binding, object types. See, these all things came from Java only. See, interface. If I teach interface in Java, you will understand it very easily. Only the syntax is little different, 10%, 20%. That's it. Here also see, instead of void, they have writing, defining the method as a function. That's it. In one line, they are giving all the arguments also. This is parameters. That's it. So you don't have to join anything after this. You just learn this perfectly and then join. Okay. So
Sure.
I will, I'll sharing this program and notes both. Let me check whether I'm able to access or not right now. If not, where is that? Here. Let me check. If you are people now only. So there is no attachment option. Here in 7 AM link, here you see if I am getting the attachment option. I am here, I am getting. Just open this one. Are you able to, if you are not able to see, let me know right now. Java program. So here this keyword. Are you able to see? This is in, see this here. Are you able to see this attachment?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No.
Okay, good. No problem. Here option itself is not coming. For
So,
once class is ended, then it will come.
so why don't you do what you did the other day? Maybe attach it to the Google Drive, because we
Yeah,
already
same
that.
thing. Finally, I have to do this, right? Finally, I have to do this. But what is the use of Teams then? I told so many times these guys are not understanding. So here you give. See here, we get job openings every time. I will show you all these things later. But where is that? My drive. I have created one folder, no Java programs, right? RAR, Java morning batch, correct? So inside this, we'll go here. I will upload. Now let me save this program as well. This notes also let me save. Control S, local, and this keyword. Okay, and here this keyword batch, I will save this. I'll go here and I will take this one also. Where is that? Desktop Java program. So morning 8 AM batch. What is that? This keyword, right? Yeah. So
Yes.
here look this one, or shall I upload this folder itself? Let me zip it. And again, full day the people will ask me, sir, I am not able to access this drive. I don't know what is the problem they are facing.
Can you put the date also? Is it possible?
Date is there,
Date
no?
of-
By this also you can get the date.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Take all the facility, but don't learn. So learn it also. Okay. Yeah, just joking. But please practice. Now here, where is that? Boni. Where is that option?
So on the bottom, so yeah, if you share, copy link.
Yeah, manage access.
Yeah.
And here, public, correct?
Yes, sir.
Anyone with link? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Copy link, done. Now I have to share it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Where is that?
It's gonna be the same link. Yes, sir.
Yeah, same group. You take which group you want. See here, this I am pasting it here. Okay? Is it okay?
Can you please paste here also in Teams?
Yeah, take it. Take this. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Try this. Okay, guys, anything else?
No, sir. Thank you.
Again and
Have a
again,
nice
I'm
day.
telling, please join on time. From tomorrow, I will not stop. Whoever lost and someone will tell I am not able to join and all, I will not even accept them. Because that has taken 10 minutes, I got disturbed. I would have finished this, how to access the method using this keyword, at least. Okay, bye. Take care and practice well.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Have a
Tomorrow
nice
you
day.
TM.